Hello there my friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to Russian Traders channel. Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits. But before we move on straight to the business, let me quickly remind you to leave your thumbs up and to make sure you are subscribed, because you definitely don't want to miss my future videos, because this one's gonna be really hot. Let's move on straight to trading.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Okay, right now, what we gonna start with? Let's choose the indicators. Okay, main average 10, alright. Average 5, alright. And what else? Okay. Right now, here, we are opening a buy trade with our initial amount. What's happening over here on the graph? Let me quickly explain you. We, right now, we're gone into the oversold zone over here, and we expect a rebound up right now. So, as we can see from the bottom of the candlesticks, the buyer doesn't let us go lower. No way, no way. We are waiting for an upward rebound at the moment. So, this one is pretty clear, pretty obvious situation. Right now, here, the buyer definitely won't go us any lower. We just need to wait, to be patient a bit. So yeah, let's just wait until the trade will be closed. Great, the first one trade is closed, plus 45 bucks, not bad, pretty good beginning of a Traders Day. Guys, let me once again quickly remind you to leave your thumbs up, because if you like what's happening over there, this is just the beginning, okay? We are moving on to the next trade. Alright, let me set the amount, 45, and we are opening a sell trade right now. So here basically what I can say, very interesting situation, not quite obvious as the previous one. Right now we are in an oversold zone already, that's the first thing, and we expect a breakdown of the support zone down right now. So here we have very strong support zone, but if you take a look at what was happening before, I mean 956 or somewhere at this period, you will see that the price has already tried to test this level. Okay, we already came to this level right now, then we rebounced, and then we are on this level again. So this level is gonna be broke down right now. So there is no reaction of the buyer over here. Basically that is one of the main reasons why we are waiting for the option to go down right now over here. So yeah, the price is still fluctuating, but that's okay. I'm always telling you guys, no worries about it, because this is high volatility market, okay? High volatility markets, the price is always fluctuating. Yeah, great, we got our second trade closed, 86 bucks. Not bad. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, what do we got here? Euro to Canadian dollar. Okay, let's set the amount, $86. So here we're opening a buy trade right now. The thing is that the instrument is oversold and going up right now. Okay, and there is a reaction of buyers, definitely. And we are waiting for a breakdown here. We are waiting for a breakdown of the lines and the instrument going higher. So right now it's pretty obvious growing up rising trend here. No other indicators telling us that the price can go any lower. So basically, yeah, we are waiting for another one raise of the price. And here basically what is happening right now on the market, you already see this first green candle appearing. Yeah, pretty good. The buyer definitely has much more power over here. So yeah, we got the first candle over here. Pretty obvious trend, guys. You should, I'm always telling you, please keep in mind this kind of trades, this kind of situations. Write them down if you want, because they definitely will help you in the future. When you face another one such kind of situations, you will know what to do. And we got another trade closed, $65. Yeah, very good. Yeah, let me remind you, my name is Vladimir, this is Russian Traders channel. Guys, if you like what's happening there on the screen, and if you such kind of things to happen on your screen, make sure you leave your thumbs up. And one more important thing, guys, if you lack of information about indicators, or if you need even signals to trade, you will find all this stuff absolutely free under this video. Hit the link to my Telegram channel, there you will find all the info. Here we opened already the buy trade right now, and basically what's happening over here. Okay, we have a very strong oversold zone over here, and we are waiting for a bounce up right now. So yeah, that's what I can already tell. You see this very first green candle appearing right now, very strong buyers over here right now, and yeah, we are waiting for bounce up. That's basically what's happening. And there is a green candle that is already formed, so we are trying the option up right now. Very obvious, another one, obvious and clear situation, guys. So yeah, once again, all the signals and all the information you will find in my Telegram channel absolutely free, so at least you should take a look, give it a try, because it is definitely helpful, especially if you guys are just a beginner, okay? And yeah, so here we have another one, red candle or green candle, so you know it's always fluctuating, that's okay. Yeah, trade closed, very good. We got another one trade closed, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. So we are again to our pair euro to Canadian dollar, and we are opening a buy trade right now with our amount of 319 bucks. Why? Here, from the very beginning, you can already tell that this is a growing trend. You see, right now we are in a highly growing trend. Meanwhile, if you take a look at the Williams indicator, you will also see this green line growing up, which is also telling us in combination that right now we are in a growing trend right now. So there is a push to the resistance level over here. What's important to notice of 1.45520, you see, right, this level, okay? So we expect further growth with consolidation, so the option is basically up, and all we need to do is to wait a bit. Very abnormal here division of candles. I mean, like normal, but very strong buyers over here. You see, we are growing immensely. Like, yeah, the trade is closed with more than 400 bucks. That's pretty good. Make sure you leave your thumbs up, by the way, because you definitely don't want to miss my future videos, because each of them is definitely hot. All right, and yeah, I guess that's all for this one pair. Let's move on to another one. Yeah, right now we're opening a sell trade over here, moving out to the overbought zone to the downside, basically. And yeah, we broke through these downward moving lines, actually, which is a very strong indicator. So there is a reserve on the oscillator, okay? So yeah, as you can see already, we have this very strong first candle appeared already. So we have very strong sellers right now here on the market, and basically it was the right moment we entered this one trend right now. I'm always telling you guys, one of the golden rules of a trader is to pick the right moment to enter with the trade. You cannot just open the random graph and decide, right, up or down. No, it doesn't work this way. You should be more conscious. You should take into considerations all these indicators I'm always telling you about, guys. So yeah, these indicators and the analysis of the graph is primarily your tools on the way to success, so don't neglect them. 1100 bucks in less than 1 minute. How do you like it? Leave your thumbs up, leave reactions, guys, leave your comments if you have any questions. I will try to answer at least any of them. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We are done over here. Okay, let's set the amount, open a sell trade here. Very interesting situation, guys. What do we see? The buyer is gone right now, so we have not gone above the resistance lines, and we see red candles over here. I mean, their appearance of red candles. So here we have option down on breakout at the moment, okay? So another one pretty obvious situation, like from the book, you know. So guys, also mark these kind of situations for you to know how to act with them in the future, okay? So yeah, another one red candle appearing over here right now. Pretty obvious, pretty clear situation. Yeah, and you will find all these, not all these, but many models of the market and stuff in my Telegram channel. I already, you know, done it for you. I already collected all of them, described and stuff, so make sure you definitely go and hit the link below. Right now, yeah, we got another one trade closed, pretty good, more than 2,000 bucks. How do you like it? How do you like it? I was telling you that was just the beginning, and now we're already having more than 2,000. That's not bad. That's really not bad. Let's move on to the next one and try out something else. Back again to the euro to Canadian dollar pair. 2162, we're opening a sell trade over here. Why? I will explain. So here we approach to the resistance zone at 1.45650, you see? Right, so we approach to this resistance zone. It's very strong resistance level, and I'm always telling you guys, keep in mind these resistance and support levels, because they may play a bad joke with you. So here we reach this level, and we have rebounded from the strong support level of 1.45500. All right, and we expect a move down right now. So on a rest of the average, on a retest of the averages at least. Okay, so yeah, once we reach this strong level, the price may, in most cases, it may rebound, because the price needs to test this kind of level. Once it's very strong, the price may come to it, then rebound, then come back to it, and this may happen actually several times. So yeah, yeah, we have another one red candle appearing over here, and we got the trade closed. Great. Yeah, 4,000 bucks, not bad, really. 10 minutes, not bad. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Alright, I'm setting the amount 2000. Here we are opening a buy trade right now. Why? Here, what do we have? What do we have over here? The uptrend is starting, okay, and we broke the middle line up. We already broke it up, and Williams is not overbought yet. If you take a look at the Williams, it is right now at minus 25 or somewhere, minus 30, I guess. So it is not overbought yet. That's what actually it means, and therefore we expect more growth right now. So we have a tendency to grow, and we have the place yet. So at least to the local maximum of 90, I guess 90.7800, something like that. So yeah, basically we're not overbought yet, and pretty clear and obvious upgoing trend here. So both these indicators at least are telling us that we're picked another one, a cool moment over here, and we will have this trade definitely closed with plus profits. Okay, yeah, first candle we're done. We have another one candle appearing over here. Yeah, trade closed, pretty good. Pretty good. 3000, not bad. Okay, I guess we can try one else, something else, something most tasty for the end. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Right now I'm open to sell trade over here because here is a downtrend started already, and we picked the very right moment over here right now. We break the 5 MA and go down already, so the oscillator is in the overbought zone already as well. So there is a seller, a very strong seller here, and the option is down at the moment. So let this not fear you that the price is still fluctuating right now. I'm always telling you guys this is high volatility markets, and that's quite normal behavior of the price. Here I guess we will have another one trade closed with plus profits. Let us see, let us be patient. The main thing over here is no panic and to play with your mind cool. Okay, so yeah, we're still waiting. Great, yeah, it's great. We're done. 7,000, not bad, guys. Okay, this was Vladimir and Russian Traders channel. If you like this video and if you find this information really helpful for you, guys, make sure you leave your thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed not to miss my future videos. Quick reminders, guys, make sure you take a look at what's happening over there in my Telegram channel. Make sure you hit the link below down this video. Enjoy the information, use it mindfully, and yeah, see you in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.